Plan to increase reading speed. Improving your reading speed is a valuable skill that can save you time and help you retain more information. With consistent practice and dedication, it is possible to double or even triple your reading speed. Here is a step-by-step plan to increase your words per minute, WPM. Begin by timing your current reading speed. Use a stopwatch or timer for 1 minute as you read a page from a book or article. Count the number of words read. This is your baseline WPM. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times and average your words per minute. Now set a realistic goal for your reading speed based on your baseline. If you currently read 200 WPM, you could aim for 300 to 350 WPM within a few months. Having a defined target will help motivate you through your training. Next, start incorporating speed reading techniques into your daily reading practice. Use your finger or a pointer like a pen to guide your eyes down the page. This smooths out the tendency to regress or reread words. Focus on absorbing the main ideas and keywords versus reading every single word. Train your mind to grasp concepts rapidly. Minimize subvocalization by avoiding speaking the words in your head as you read. This will increase pace. Read in chunks by taking in a few words or a short phrase at a time. This should match your increased speed. Practice hand motions like tapping or sliding your finger to get into a faster rhythm. Maintain concentration and avoid distractions so your mind can focus solely on the material. Set aside at least 15 to 30 minutes daily to practice speed reading techniques on various texts. Start on easier material like articles before moving to denser books. Time your speed every 10 pages to check for improvement. You can also do specific speed drills like reading single paragraphs repeatedly for 1 minute, working up to quadruple your initial WPM. Or quickly scan through pages searching for key words and phrases. Use apps like Spreeder or ReadMe to practice reading digitally presented text at gradually increasing rates. This builds mental stamina. After several weeks of consistent practice, you should notice your reading and comprehension speed improving. Retest your WPM to see your gains. Troubleshoot areas for improvement and keep challenging yourself by incrementally raising your speed goals. With focused training, most people can double their reading speed in 2 to 3 months up to around 300 to 400 WPM. With extended practice over 6 to 12 months, speeds of 500 plus WPM are achievable for determined learners. As your rate increases, be sure to test periodically for comprehension using quizzes or summaries. The ideal is boosting speed while maintaining high understanding. Improving your reading speed can save you hours of time and aid learning and retention. Set goals, use proper techniques, consistently